Today I want to share with you my very first self-designed digital planner. After years of buying pre-designed planners and searching for the perfect layout to meet my lifestyle, I decided this year to create my own, which you'll see has a bullet journal inspired style. I was able to include planning sections that cover every part of my day-to-day life except for my secular job, which I have a separate planner for. I will be uploading a video in the future sharing that setup with you. If you're wondering, I used the app Keynote to design my digital planner. Now, if you'd like to learn how to create your own, check out the tutorial in my description that I followed. Alright, so let's jump in. Now, as I said, this is my first time designing a planner, and although it took me about 10 hours to complete, it's definitely not perfect. You may notice some design errors here and there. So here you see is my cover, which I didn't spend much time on, but I do like how it came out. It's a very simple design. All the images you see in my planner, by the way, I took from Pinterest. So as you can see, I created tabs for each month, which are hyperlinked. The first page of my planner includes a wish list / travel destination section. Now, as you can see, I've already filled in some wish list items and possible future trips. Basically, my idea is to allocate the money neither spent on my bills nor set aside for my savings account to these items and trips. The next page is just a calendar overview, which I will use as a reference throughout the year. So then my monthly calendars begin. Each month is designed exactly the same except for the image used in the background. Again, all images are taken from Pinterest. I'm going to go ahead and show you the images I used for each month. I kept my monthly overviews pretty simple. One notable change I made to the traditional planner layout is I began my weeks with Monday instead of Sunday. In my mind, the weeks begin on Mondays, so this layout will be better organized for me. I also included a looking ahead section instead of the traditional notes section usually included. Here I will write down future appointments or events to write in at another time. I plan on writing in all events, appointments, deadlines, and meetings into the monthly overview. Personally, I like to see everything in one place. Each month is then followed by 3 sections. The first is a to-do list section. As you may have noticed, I decided against a weekly and daily planning system, mainly because I found that in the past, I never really used them. Instead of planning out my days or my weeks, I would usually use those sections to write out to-do lists. The only problem was that sometimes I wouldn't complete all my to-do list tasks, and so then I would have to end up rewriting them in a different day or keep referring myself back to that first day. So for me, having a running to-do list makes more sense. The design elements of these pages are super simple. I really just have a title and 2 images taken from Pinterest. Each to-do list section of each month is designed exactly the same. I just included different images. The next section is for budgeting. At the beginning of each month, I plan on writing in my budget goals for each category listed here, and then at the end of the month, I plan on adding up how much I either went over or under budget. To the right of my budget planning, I have a savings tracker. Every month I have a goal to save a certain amount of money, so this visual representation of my savings will encourage me to keep up with it and follow my progress. The next section is an essentials checklist. I haven't seen anyone else with this section in their planners, so this may be a new idea, but basically I will refer to the section at the end of each month and note any items I am running low on and need to repurchase. This way, when I run out of my essential products, I don't feel rushed or stressed to refill them. This may seem overkill, but I foresee this being extremely helpful for me this year. After each month and their sections, I have an additional 3 subsections. The first is what I call daily goals. I've decided that the best way to reach monthly and yearly goals for me personally is by succeeding at daily goals. I plan on referring to this page every day to remind myself of small daily routine activities to follow. The next subsection is for planning trips. I am planning on taking a couple of trips at the end of 2021, and these pages will be helpful in planning out important things such as packing lists, budget planning, and itinerary overviews. Lastly, I have a page for tracking packages as well as a page for tracking all the books read in 2021. The tracking page will basically allow me to keep track of any items that I've ordered and whether or not they've been delivered. And then the reading page will encourage me to keep up with my reading, as well as report any progress that I can look back on at the end of the year. So that completes my 2021 digital planner. It is very simple, but it's tailored to my lifestyle and I'm very happy with it. I want to thank you so much for watching my video. If you found it interesting, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. I make videos every week and I would greatly appreciate any support. I want to wish you an amazing 2021, and I hope this video gave you some ideas if you were thinking of making your own digital planner. I'll see you in my next video.